Marty, are you gonna burp and hiccup at the same time? He just did it a minute ago. Marty! Dang it.
He was doing them in the office, too.
There's one. Marty, say bye. See that? Smart kid, huh?
It's hilarious. I don't know why he has to do it that way, though.